Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of dx over x plus the cubic root of x. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. We put about u to the power of 3 equal to x. So we do first the derivative of this one, and you got about 3u squared du equal to dx. dx we change for this one, s we change for this one. Next, this one we change for u, and now we can do factorization. U and u, they will cancel. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So you got about t equal to u squared plus 1 dt equal to 2u du. So because we don't have the number 2, we divide both sides with number 2. This one we change for t. U du we change for dt over 2. And now we can get the final answer. That's about 3 over 2 ln of absolute value of t. About t, we change back for this one, but we have the u squared in here, so we don't need to use the absolute value. About u, we need to change back for s. So u equal to the cubic root of s, and we put this one in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.